Hello traders, in today's video we'll be looking at how you can trade over 3 with your phone, okay? Or what strategy do you basically use for trading over 3 with your phone? Now, let us go directly into it without wasting any time. First of all, when you go to over 3, first thing that you should put into mind is that the risk you're facing has increased slightly, alright? Every time you're trading over, the higher you go, the more the risk. Every time you're trading under, the lower you go, the higher the risk. Okay. Now, since you have gone to over 3, the risk you're facing is high. Now, the strategy that you will use should be very safe and should be very efficient, and I'll be showing you how. Okay. And before we begin, guys, if you want online classes, the online classes are ongoing. Please WhatsApp me. My number is in the description. And if you need materials, as I said, I'm here. WhatsApp me immediately so that you get the best materials in the market. Okay. So let us get directly into it. The first things first, when you're trading over 3, all right, ensure 3, 2, 1, and 0 are all below 10.5%. I repeat, 3, 2, 1, and 0 should all be below 10.5, and the lower they are, the better. The reason I'm saying this is because, okay, the ideal one is that they all be under 10, but it is very difficult to find 3, 2, 1, and 0 under 10%. So just ensure 3, 2, 1, and 0 are below 10.5, and ensure 0 is below 10%. Okay? The reason for this is because you want 0 to be as weak as possible. Because as I've said, I usually don't know what happens in the market. Because most times you usually find that 0 has a lot of strength. All right, even if you go and use your bot right now, you'll see that 0 will be predicted a lot of times. All right, so ensure 0 is below 10% because you want it to be as weak as possible, and ensure 1, 2, and 3 are all below 10.5. But the lower they are, the better. Okay, so that is the first condition. So please note that. The second condition: ensure the green number. All right, like you see on my screen currently, the green number is 6. Ensure the green number is 3 numbers away from 3. So it should either be on 4, 5, so it should not be touching 4, it should not be touching 5, it should not be touching 6. It should be 3 numbers away from 3. Alright? Yeah, so it should be either be touching 7, 8, or 9. Alright? So that is the second. The green number should be touching 7, 8, or 9. Alright? So that is the second. So please note that. The other thing, the position of the green number. The green number, so please listen carefully, should not be below 12%. I repeat, the green percentage or the green number should not be below 12%. Alright? The reason for this is because you want it to be as strong as possible. Because when you're trading over 3, you want that ticker to be as far away from 3 as possible. Because if it is always near 3, all right, we'll end up incurring a loss. So that is why you want it to be. You want the green number to be strong, so that the numbers around the green number will keep on being predicted, and thus will remain safe when you're trading over 3. So ensure the green number is above, is from 12% going up. So it can be 12%, 12.1, 12.2 going up. It should not be 11.9. It should not be 11.8 and below. Alright? Remember, guys, it is not a must to follow these conditions. The purpose for this strategy is to minimize the risk you're facing. Remember, every time you go to trade, you enter into a market with a lot of risk. But the strategy that you will use will help you avoid those risks and end up profitable. So these strategies that I'm laying out, it is not a must to follow them. Even if I trade right now randomly, I'll still incur profit. Alright, okay, let me go even to demo right now so that I show you. It's not a must to follow it, but what you are doing is basically you are trying to minimize the level of risk you are facing. Okay, alright, let it open. Alright, yeah, so it's not a must. So, but remember, if you follow this, you are greatly minimizing the risk that you're facing, and thus you'll end up profitable. Alright, now if I come to this market, I have not done any analysis, and if I just come here and press over 3 without any analysis, let us see what happens. Zero analysis, guys. Zero analysis. You see, it's a loss. All right. So the purpose of this strategy is to avoid such cases. All right. Yeah. So as I've said, the first condition, ensure 0, 1, 2, and 3 are all ensure they are all below. Ensure 0, 1, 2, and 3 are all below 10.5, and ensure 0 is below 10% to be safe. The lower they are, the better. The second condition. Ensure that green number, the green percentage, is 3 numbers away from us. So it should not be touching 4, 5, or 6. It should either be on 7, 8, or 9. All right? The third condition, ensure the green percentage. All right? Ensure the green percentage is not ensure the green percentage is either 12% going up but not lower. All right, so that is that condition, I guess, I presume. And now the fourth condition, okay, the red number. Most people have come to me asking me where should the red number be and so on. The red number does not affect our trades in any way, because first of all, the red percentage usually signifies the least appearing number. So its percentage, its positioning cannot affect us in any way. So it can be at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It won't affect us. Your main vision and your main focus should be on the green percentage. That is what you should be focusing on, because that is what can determine if you'll become profitable or not. All right, so please put that into mind. All right, and again, use one tick. Always use one tick. With a bot or manually, use one tick, and please trade volatility 10-1s to be safe. All right, guys, once you follow these conditions, you will definitely become profitable when trading over 3. I won't promise you that it will be 100% profitable, but it will be profitable to you. Some losses might occur, but you, believe me, you'll end up profitable for the day, okay? The recovery for over 3 is only 3 times your stake, so you only need 3 times your stake to recover your loss in over 3. So it's a very nice market. It's a market that you can become very consistently profitable with it. It's a market that you can become profitable with it without stressing yourself. So I can advise you, if you want to go try it, please go try it out in demo. Don't use this strategy in your real account first. Go test it out in demo and then see how it works. If it works well for you, please WhatsApp me and tell me it has worked well, or just comment in the comment section it works. If it doesn't, please make sure you WhatsApp me so that we see where you can be going, where you are going wrong, all right? But that is basically how you trade over 3 with your phone, okay? If you have liked this video, please ensure you leave a like, and please ensure you subscribe. You will be highly appreciated. And please make sure you share to anyone who you know is interested in trading in Deriv. All right, yeah, so guys, go test it out in demo. All right, I'll be making more videos about this and showing the practicality about it, but for now, guys, go test it out and then come to me with the feedback. If it doesn't work or if it works for you, please ensure you give me feedback. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video and have a good day.